Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the rainbow magic carpet in Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. When the rainbow log event is active, you will get a free rainbow magic carpet. And first of all, you're going to go to your inventory to hold the rainbow carpet. And it's in the all menu. Just scroll down and you will see this rainbow carpet. Okay, wait guys. All right, this one. You're going to hold it and then you can tap anywhere to use this rainbow carpet. Okay, and then you can fly using this rainbow carpet. I think that's so cool guys. But after the event is over, this rainbow carpet will also gone, so you can only use it during the rainbow log event. If you want to use it permanently, you need to purchase the rainbow carpet from the shop with the Robux right here, and it cost 500 Robux. I think it's not worth to buy this item. Just enjoy it during the rainbow log event. Okay, and you can fly high like this. Oh, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's how we can use the rainbow carpet in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.